In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete your Moomoo account. Whether you're looking to streamline your apps or simply no longer need the service, we'll walk you through each step to ensure a smooth process. First, start by opening the Moomoo app on your smartphone or tablet. Once the app is up and running, you'll want to locate the Me section. You can easily find this by looking at the bottom right corner of your screen. This is where you manage all your profile settings and account details. After tapping on Me, you'll find yourself on a page with several options related to your account. What we're interested in now is the Settings menu. Go ahead and tap on Settings, and from there, select Moomoo Account. This will take you to the area where you can make changes specific to your account preferences. Now, you're getting closer to your goal. You'll need to scroll down a bit until you find the option labeled Delete Account. It might be towards the bottom, so don't worry if you have to scroll for a moment. Once you see Delete Account, tap on it. At this point, Moomoo will ask you to enter your password. This is an important step to ensure that it's really you who wants to delete the account, adding a layer of security to the process. Enter your password carefully, and then confirm that you want to proceed with the account deletion. After you've entered your password and confirmed the deletion request, just follow any additional prompts that may appear. The app will guide you through the final steps, ensuring that your decision is final. And with that, your Moomoo account will be successfully deleted. And there you have it. That's how to delete your Moomoo account. I hope this guide has made the process clear and straightforward for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.